Looking for serious rock breaking power? The DW T200 Rock Breaker is engineered for harsh Australian conditions. It's built to perform on excavators from 1.7 tonne to 45 tonne, with powerful, heavy-duty, advanced steel construction. Includes 2 chisels, hoses, head bracket and toolbox. Ideal for breaking through concrete, rock, asphalt and more. Long life performance with easy maintenance, backed by a full 24-month warranty. Whether it's construction, landscaping or demolition, the T200 delivers power and reliability where it counts. Call Southern Earthmoving Attachments on 1300 558 559